Mopa is put to function, this is bound to continue. So we need to have plan for this. And moreover, Mopa, for instance, will require minimum 3 years. That is for the first phase. Another 3 years, another 5 years for second phase. And they will take much more years for real completion. Until that, the way the tourism is flourishing and the influx of the footfall is increasing. For instance, even during monsoons, every weekend there were heavy crowds. आणि शनिवार आयतार आणि ताका धरून जर सोमारा सुटी येत किंवा मंगळारा येत जाल्यार सोमारची सुटी घाल्या आणि 4 दिसांक लोक हांगा आयले. त्यामुळे गोंय म्हणटा की लोक पिशे जातात. दॅट इज एडवांटेज ऑफ कोर्स. पूण आमचे म्हणजे फॉर लास्ट 3 years आय हॅव बीन ऑब्जर्विंग the touristic increase earlier was 18%, next year it was 20% above last year. Last year it was 23%. And